Hello students, myself Dr. Kapil Chaturvedi, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Sage Group, Bhopal. Today we will discuss how to download the Java, and after downloading how we'll install it, and once we install the Java in our computer system, how to set the path of Java. So we will see the whole procedure of that in today's lecture practically by follow the step-by-step procedure. So before starting that, I recommend you to please on your computer and follow my steps to learn easily. So first of all, our first task is to download Java. So as we know that Java is open source operating system, so we download the Java by going on the Google. We just have to type GTK download, GTK download, and just by typing that, you will see that official site of Oracle, where we'll have to check Java download. That will be the first link possibly. So you'll have to click on that. Now you'll have to download the GTK from here. Here some of the options are here: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So in general, we use the Windows operating system to choose. So we have to download the setup for the Windows. So we choose the Windows and we download the installer of JDK. So you see that there various links are there. So from here, you'll have to download by clicking a particular link. You have to download. You should have to download the setup of the JDK. So you see that once we download the setup of the Java, we will find that the setup in our downloads folder. As after downloading that setup will be look here like this, like one of the setup is here. So similar to that, we'll when we check the download folder, we get that setup. Then we'll just have to click on the setup and follow the step, and just have to click next, 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 next. So after completing the procedure, that will download some of the file from internet. Keep in mind, whenever you install the Java, the online your computer should be online, because many of the files it will download from the online sources during the installation. Once the setup is installed, once the setup is installed, you'll see that in your my computer C drive. You'll see that in the program files, you'll check that there will be a folder Java. So what we will have to do that to do first step is to download the Java. Second step is to install the Java, and the third step says that you will have to set the path of Java or the configure the Java. So you will have to set the path. So third step, how to set the path of the Java. So we see that after follow the whole procedure by clicking on that link or by going on the download folder. We just follow the procedure next, next, next. That is saying already installed. You want to install another version of that. So I have already installed that. So once you install that, you'll get folder in program files and Java. Program files named Java. So what you have to do, you'll have to click on the program files, Java and JDK, and click on the Win. You'll see that there will be a file Java C. There will be a file Java C. That is Java C. This is Java C. So what you have to do, you'll have to copy that path. You'll have to copy that path. You'll just have to copy that path. Then we'll have to right click on my computer, or here we are clicking on our that my PC option, that this PC. So what I'm doing, I'm going to click on this PC's properties. Okay. Here, I have to go on the advanced system settings, then choose environment variable. Then here I have to choose path. This is the path. Click on the path, click on the edit. Okay. Now here you will have to paste that that path by clicking on new. You'll just have to paste the path. As I already pasted that past earlier, because I have already downloaded Java in this machine. So see that I already copied that as I copied here. So you just have to copy that path here and click on the OK button. Okay. Again, you have to click on the OK button, and here also click on the OK button. Close that screen. Also close that screen. Now you'll have to click right here CMD to check that whether path is set or not. So you'll have to write here Java. When you write the Java, you'll see that here many of the commands showing by that console because Java is installed. If either Java is not installed, that will show bad command. Java is bad command, or that will show that Java is not recognized as internal or external command. Now I have to check that path is set or not. So I'm writing here Java C and click on the enter. Again, I'm seeing that many of the instructions it shows. If we if their path is not set, then it will show the again, so Java C is bad command or not recognized as internal or external command. So but here it is showing many of the instruction. It means the Java is properly installed and downloaded and installed, and we also set the path properly, so that showing that many of the instructions relevant that Java's like version and many more. So I click on the exit. So this is the procedure of downloading, installed, and path set of in our computer. So as per the previous lecture, I discussed the fundamentals of the Java and features, and also the object-oriented features of that. And in this lecture, we discuss about how to download the Java, how to install the Java, and also how to set the path. In the next lecture, we'll discuss the different loopings and conditional structures uh, to understand the Java programming. Thank you.